What's wrong, Jay?
I just got so much to do. Clean, read, I got a paper due. I'm tired as hell. I need a nap.
You can do all that stuff in less than a microwave minute.
A what?
Hey, man, I'll just show you.
So look, it'll work with any microwave.
All you gotta do is press 1, the 60 seconds will start, but it lasts, bro, you trying to tell me right now, if I put 1 minute on this microwave, it's gonna give me more time to complete all of my work. That's what you're trying to tell me right now. You ever microwave your food? Go do a bunch of stuff, come back, it's still not done? You gotta go, I got work to do. I can't do this right now. I'm just gonna leave this here, just in case. What the? I must be tripping, bro. What time is it? Yo, this is impossible. No, this is impossible. Hello? Yo, Dev, it worked! Bro, it's working, bro. The microwave minute, it's only been like 15 seconds, bro. I've gotten so much done. I've swept the house, I've cleaned up, I've read. This is incredible. This is a miracle. This defies all logic.
I know. But listen to me, there's a downside.
Downside? I don't understand.
Yeah, I kind of forgot to mention, you know, there's a reason why people don't use this all the time.
Bro.
This
I'm
power is not to be
using
used
this
recklessly.
all
Listen
the
to me.
time,
Listen to
bro.
me.
I gotta go.
It's very
I'm gonna
dangerous
get
stuff.
busy
Promise
right
me
now.
you'll never.
In conclusion, this is why people who don't pick up their dog shit should go fuck themselves.
I am the Lord of Time. I decide who lives and who dies. The Sultan of Senescence. The Prince of Prostate. Master of Menopause. I am all powerful. Oh! Goddamn you, Carol Baskins! Oh, my toe, my beautiful pinky toe. Why won't it end? The pain is only supposed to last a minute. A microwave minute. Oh. I'm not gonna make it.